Thinking of scoring a deal on cozyhoome.com? Before you get too excited by their flashy discounts and wide variety of products, you might want to pause and hear what we uncovered because while this site markets itself as a haven for budget-conscious shoppers with gadgets, car accessories, USB-C tools, home goods, toys, and kitchen essentials, the truth may not be as cozy as it seems. Cozy Hoome grabs attention with its clean layout and promises of affordability, but many customers report that their shopping experience quickly turned into a nightmare. A large number of buyers never received the products they paid for, and even those who did receive something often found it to be of extremely poor quality or completely different from what was advertised. Even more troubling is that the tracking numbers provided with orders were frequently fake or misleading, either not working at all or pointing to irrelevant shipments, which leaves customers in the dark about where their package is, if it even exists. Attempts to reach customer service are another dead end for many, as messages and emails often go unanswered with no phone number or real-time support available. To make matters worse, several of the product images and listings seem to be lifted directly from more established retailers, which not only questions the originality of their inventory but also hints at potential fraud. While we're not saying Cozy Hoome is outright scamming everyone, the overwhelming amount of unresolved complaints, copy-pasted images, and lack of transparency make it a very risky place to shop. If you're someone who values reliable service, quality products, and the assurance that your money won't just vanish, you might want to think twice or even 3 times before placing an order here.